English.
Hey everybody, it's Indiana Jackson 762. Today I am going to unveil my watermelon. Uh, this is my first time growing watermelon, so we don't know what we're gonna get. This is one of a few. All the rest are small, but this one is ready. So hopefully everything is good. Try to do this one hand. Get everything cut here. And there we go. Okay. Cut this stem. Oh, can you believe that shit? You stop. Well, it didn't hurt it. It didn't hurt it. It's good. Okay. Still rolling? All right. Let's get going to the scale. All right. Okay, here's my scale. So what we're going to do is push it on, weigh it. Let's see, it won't stay on here. There we go. Looks like it's 23.8, 23 pounds, 8 ounces. All right, y'all. That's it for Watermelon Wars for me. Y'all have a good one. Peace out.